It's hard to believe. This young man used an old bicycle hub to create a homemade power generator, and it lights up a bright white lamp. Now he never has to worry about power outages at night. Watch as he mounts the old bicycle hub securely onto a wooden board. He installs a small pulley at the center, which will serve a big purpose later. Then he takes out 2 round magnets and several iron sheets salvaged from a transformer. He forms a circle using the iron sheets around the magnets. Important, the 2 magnets must repel each other for this to work. Using copper wire, he starts winding it around the magnets, layer by layer. He wraps it tightly to form multiple neat coils. Then he secures the coils with hot glue, leaving 2 wire ends on each coil. He makes 4 coil units like this, each labeled with a different color. Next step, he attaches 3 large round magnets evenly to the hub and secures them with bolts. They are placed at equal distances from each other, 5 centimeters away from the hub. He applies hot glue, then fixes a long wooden board. Right after that, he aligns the 4 coils side by side on the wooden board and secures them with hot glue. He connects all 4 coils using wires in a series connection setup. If you're unsure how, feel free to rewind and watch again. Next, he glues the transformer securely in place. The 2 remaining coil wires are connected to one side of the transformer. He seals the joints with rubber tubing to prevent electric shock. Now he connects the power strip to the other side of the transformer and seals that joint too. Then he plugs in several bright white lamps to test if the device can actually generate power. Watch as he spins the hub rapidly, and the white lamps light up instantly. Looks like the experiment was a big success. But as the hub slows down, the brightness of the lamp dims until it eventually turns off, so he adds another upgrade. A long wooden board with a block at one end. He attaches it underneath the hub and mounts a small motor on the block. A wooden wheel is fixed on the motor shaft and connected by a belt to the hub center pulley, nice and tight. Now the small motor can keep the hub spinning automatically. Once powered on, the hub spins rapidly on its own. A multimeter confirms 220 volts output, steady and strong. Just like that. This homemade power generator is ready for action. Not only can it light up the night, it can even power handheld electric tools. That's seriously impressive. What do you think of this DIY power generator? Out of 10, how many points would you give it? Let us know in the comments. See you in the next video.